In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Leonardo AI Image-to-Image feature. This way you can use image guidance option in Leonardo AI to generate images from source image. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to leonardo.ai website. Just log in to your account. Now on the home page, in the left panel, click Image Generation. Now we need to provide source image for reference. So click on Image Guidance. Here let's upload our source image. You can upload new image from your PC or you can use any image from the images that you had generated previously or from community feed. Let's upload an image. Now set aspect ratio. Strength is basically determines how much amount of guidance to apply for creation of the new image. Let's keep it to 0.30. Now let's enter the prompt for image generation. Select image generation model of your choice and number of images. Now click generate. As you can see, we have now generated image by taking reference of our source image. So that is how you can use Leonardo AI image to image feature. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.